Coronavirus continued to spread, infecting and taking the lives of innocent people. As this virus is spreading further and no sign or news of slowing down, stock markets seem to have noticed its threat as we have seen the big dip on Friday. I feel this may be the best opportunity for people to invest if they have been holding on to their money. If you're not comfortable going all in today, which I do not recommend, then use 10% of your cash per week. If you feel comfortable going higher, then maybe 20% per week. This is the same chart that I showed last weekly report, but this time I want to focus on the first month, the third month, and the 6 month return. As you can see on the first month of all of the outbreak within 10 years has been negative return, especially Ebola and Zika, reaching roughly negative 6% and negative 7.5%, exception of measles. Few weeks into coronavirus, stock market hasn't dropped anywhere near those percentage. By the third month, the outbreak from the last 10 years has gained positive return except the Ebola, which almost went double its negative 7.5% to negative 13.74%. By 6 months, the stock market seemed to have shaken its fear of outbreak and moved on. So just solely based on this chart, stock market should still take some few hits for a little longer until it gets better. What's going on everyone? My name is Andy and thank you for checking out this channel where I go over basic introduction about investment, retirement, and touch up finance. If you're new to investment or curious about investing, check out my playlist that covers different topics. As the channel grows, I will be making more and more videos that will go over investment, retirement, and finance, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This week from S&P 500 fourth quarter report, we got some report that pushed the company to record-breaking new high, including Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. But feel free to pause and check out the other company that was released this week. On Monday, coronavirus continued to make news as more people fall victim to the virus. Stock market opened negative and closed in negative. U.S. drug making companies are sending drugs to China to see if it can provide any help to minimize the danger of the coronavirus. Last Friday, we were at $51,596, and on Monday, we closed at the $50,822, which is second lowest in the month. The lowest being $50,752 on the January 7th. From Monday closing, we are at loss of $774. On Tuesday, the death toll for the coronavirus has risen to 106 in China and more than 70 confirmed cases outside of China, including 5 in US. However, this day, my portfolio closed at $51,672, a gain of $850. Wednesday, Apple stock closed at 2.09%, with fourth quarter report beating better than expected. Coronavirus has killed 170 people and infected more than 7,700 people. Wednesday, my portfolio closed at $51,292, a loss of $380. Thursday, Microsoft and Tesla fourth quarter report beat better than expected, pushing both of these companies to new record high. With coronavirus getting worse, on Thursday, US major index closed in positive. My portfolio jumped from $51,292 to $52,131, a gain of $839. Friday, the market take a dive as all three US major index is heading negative. As the coronavirus continued to threaten around the world, President Trump declared public health emergency and restrict travel from China. Coronavirus has spread to 18 different countries with over 9,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus and 213 deaths. Regarding the stock market, 70% of 226 companies from S&P 500 have reported better than expected results. On the side news, the United Kingdom has officially left the European Union. Friday is one of the biggest single-day loss my portfolio has experienced this month, and probably not since 2018, I believe. Friday, my portfolio closed at $51,064 from $52,131. Now doing the math, it should be lost of $1,067, but here it showed $1,124. I know this happened 2 weeks ago and I never got to find out why the miscalculation. Anyway, from this week, my stock went from $51,596 opening on Monday to $51,064 on Friday, a loss of $534. After Friday closing, I was worried that the loss was going to be higher than that, but hey, I'm glad I was wrong. So looking at this month's chart, it doesn't look like I made much, but I will have to wait for the monthly result to find out how much I made or lost this month. So stick around when I get the report for the January and subscribe if you had not done so already. Super smashing the button is always appreciated, and as always, invest wisely.